Welcome to UIFry. In this video, we're going to explore the exciting realm of UX deliverables. Let's get started. UX, or user experience. Deliverables are the output of UX design work, the documents, designs, or presentations that demonstrate how a website or app will work and look. They're key to effective communication within a design team and with clients. Now let's discuss the types. Type 1. Site maps. These are diagrams that represent the structure of a website. They show how different pages relate to each other, laying out the hierarchy and flow in a clear, visual way. Site maps help to ensure that all key pages and functionalities have been considered. Type 2. User journeys. These are narratives that describe a user's interaction with a product over time. They illustrate a user's path through a product from their perspective, highlighting their needs, pain points, and the actions they take. User journeys help designers empathize with users and design solutions that meet their needs. Type 3. Personas. These are fictional characters created to represent different user types that might use a site, brand, or product in a similar way. Personas are based on user research and include information such as demographics, behavior patterns, motivations, and goals. Type 4. Wireframes and flows. Wireframes are low-fidelity, simplified outlines of your product, while flows show how a user will move through the product. Wireframes help to plan out functionality and layout, and flows help to ensure the user's journey through the product is logical and smooth. Type 5. Analysis and research. This is the process of collecting and interpreting information about your users and their environment. It can include methods such as interviews, surveys, usability testing, and more. This research informs all other UX deliverables and ensures your designs are grounded in real user needs and behaviors. And there we have it, a quick tour of essential UX deliverables. Remember, these tools are used to understand user needs, communicate design ideas, and guide the design process. Stay tuned to UIFry for more insights into the world of UX and UI.